This is exercise number 4.1. It is given the cost of notebook is twice the cost of, this is page number 68. Cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. Write the linear equation of two variables. Take the notebook cost x rupees. So we have to make the equation from this. First we will be taking like the cost of one notebook is equal to, okay, one notebook is equal to x rupees. Okay, now let the जो cost नहीं है हम लोग cost, let means will be assuming that the cost of, will be assuming the cost of notebook and pen. Okay, one we have to take as x and one we have to take, we will be taking notebook cost as x rupees and cost of pen is y rupees. Okay, now what is given? The cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. Cost of notebook is twice the कॉस्ट ऑफ पेन. हम लोग नोटबुक का क्या लिए हैं? x. ओके, पेन का 2y. ट्वाइस मीन्स 2. सो दिस इज द इक्वेशन. कॉस्ट ऑफ, दिस इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ नोटबुक, दिस इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ नोटबुक ट्वाइस द पेन, मतलब 2 into कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 पेन. ओके, नाउ दिस इफ यू टेक x, दिस standard form of linear equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. All the three will be left side, so we have to bring it in the standard form. So this plus 2y, if you take this side, x 2y is equal to 0. So x minus 2y is equal to 0. This is your answer. Okay, now second problem. Express the following linear equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, indicating value of a, value of b and value of c. First equation, 2x plus 3y is equal to 9.35 recurring. Okay, here first case, standard form means all the three should be one side. So 2x plus 3y, this plus 3y is this, if we comes to this side, minus 3.35 recurring is equal to 0. A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3 and C is equal to minus, along with the sign we have to take. Okay, now second one, this is the first one. In this second one is x minus y upon 5 minus 10 is equal to 0. Already it is in ax plus by plus c form. Okay, here a is equal to 1, b is equal to, यहाँ कुछ नहीं मतलब 1, so 1 upon 5 and c is equal to minus 10. Third one is minus 2x plus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0. Already this is also in, this is minus 6 is equal to 3 minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Okay, it is not in the standard form. So ax plus by plus c, all the three should be on the left side. So this x we will be bringing to left side. Okay, minus 2x plus 3y plus 6, when it comes to right side, minus 6 is equal to 0. A is equal to minus 2, b is equal to, a is equal to minus 2, b is equal to plus 3 and c is equal to minus 6. Okay, then fourth problem is x is equal to 3y. Here constant term is not there. So what is the form? Actually ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay, x, this when it comes to this side minus 3y, c is nothing, so in case of c we will be taking 0. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 0. Okay, fifth one is 2x minus, fifth one is 2x is equal to minus 5. 2x is equal to minus 5y. Okay, here ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. 2x, if this minus 5 comes to this side minus 5, no c, 0 is equal to 0. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to 5, c is equal to 0. Sixth problem, 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, again write ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 3, b is equal to, before that let us write in standard form. It is not in the standard form. Okay, now 3x, y is not there, so in place of y we will be taking 0y. जो नहीं है उसके प्लेस में 0 ले लेने का, तो यहाँ y नहीं है इसीलिए 0y, where a is equal to 3, b is equal to 0 and c is equal to 2. Okay, seventh case, seventh one, in seventh one y minus 2 is equal to 0. Y minus 2 is equal, if you observe here x is not there, so we will be taking 0x plus 1y minus 2 is equal to 0. A is equal to 0, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 2. In eighth case, 5 minus 2x, 5 is equal to 2x. Okay, now 2x right side, so 5 को वो बाजू ले जाएंगे, so 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, here y is not there. Okay, इसको यहाँ ले गई, इसको यहाँ ले आओ, 5 को वो राइट साइड ले आओ या 2x को ये बाजू ले आओ, फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगी. सो 2x को वहाँ रख के 5 को वहाँ लिए से 5 माइनस हो जाएगी. 2x here, y is not there. So what I told, whatever is not there in the take plus 0y and minus 5 is equal to 0. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to 0 and c is equal to minus 5. This is exercise number 4.1. Thank you.